Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming where CRK accepts emoji, a message body, status, or reaction field, because placement affects meaning. Once confirmed, pick the laughing emoji that matches your intent: mild chuckle, hearty laugh, or rolling laughter. Next, insert it using the emoji picker or clipboard. Make sure spacing and punctuation remain intact so CRK parses it correctly. You'll avoid accidental command triggers and mistaken context if you place the emoji after a clear phrase or as a standalone reaction. Now focus on formatting and contextual cues so your laughing emoji conveys the right tone in CRK. Pair it with a brief phrase like, "Nice one face with tears of joy," to anchor intent. Once done, adjust punctuation to avoid command parsing. Make sure you don't overuse multiple laughing emoji. Limit to 1 through 3 per message to prevent spam flags or misinterpretation. Finally, remember the social nuance. In some threads, a laughing emoji reads as sarcasm, so match it to the conversation to keep communication clear. Finish by using laughing emoji as reactions when you want quick feedback without adding new messages, because reactions keep threads tidy. If the tone misfires, edit or delete the emoji and follow up with clarifying text. Make sure to acknowledge mistakes so conversations stay respectful. If CRK fails to parse the emoji or treats it as a command, swap to plain text like lol or a different emoji. This simple fallback prevents delivery errors and keeps your intent visible to others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.